If you would like a zipper to look like an invisible zipper, we have to again use our a property editor, and we first need to click on our zipper itself in order to pull up the property editor. Within property editor, you should select the preset for invisible. And when you look at the invisible zipper, it's going to look like you've placed an invisible zipper right on top of your fabric, which is not how an invisible zipper usually looks. So we need to do some additional changes to make that look as we expect. So once you have selected invisible zipper as our type, let's go back to that, as our preset type, you can go down and where it says teeth width, we're going to change that to a very small number. We're going to go 0.01. The total width of our zipper needs to be slightly more than that, but we still want to be a very tiny number, so 0.02. Okay, you might even be able to make it a little bit smaller than that, but that's this is doable. So now when we hit enter and finish, you can see that we've got our new zipper, and when we simulate it, we get something very small indeed that much more resembles an invisible zipper. We can still adjust our puller down the length of that zipper, and we can see that it opens up. Now, if you do not want to see the pulls at the top or the pull at the bottom, there is something we can do about that. So you can see down here, I can see the stopper down here. I don't want to see that. And so when you are out of simulation, if you click on that to highlight and right click, you can show hide the slider, the top stopper, or the bottom stopper. So I'm going to select the bottom stopper here. So it's no longer visible, which is nice. And up here, I'm going to remove these as well. So when you double click on any of these functions, you can hide the slider, or I can show or hide the top stopper. Okay, I'm not sure I like that because I want to see the top stopper. I don't want to see the bottom stopper, but that gives you the option if you want to hide it for whatever reason.